You see this hole?
Oh, shit. Watch out, babe. Watch out.
Oh my God.
Stop that bucket with some ice. A house, stop by HEB. Bucky. See my little cousin. See my little crazy ass cousin. See the man. Oh yeah, see all the feet. Oh. Got to my Diaz. Here, see what the hell is.
See the new crib? Just hung my shit up. Don't mind the trash, boys. Don't mind the trash. What? Yeah, it's on. I'm recording. New cribbo, new cribbo. Sorry.
Peace.
Oh, my cousin got your ice cream.
After the moment, and then
Yeah, when I'm fishing, I catch a fish. Ice cream sandwich in the house? Yeah. I think you buy one for like the little kids. Nah, went in there to go show my crib real quick. Yeah. Where'd grandma go? Oh my God. I should have let it kept going. It would have hit it, huh? Oh my God. Oh, you see that skip? Oh, on camera, cuz. One for the books. Definitely go shoot the gun to it. I'm gonna get my shotty. We're gonna top it off. Boom, boom. Trying to come shoot the guns?
Shoot the gun?
Yeah. Yeah, I told him. But... Oh, go get Dito one. Huh? I told him, but then he was talking to his friend right here. Hey, buddy, I ain't gonna force you to come. Yeah. Yeah, I'm recording. Look. Had to make sure, guys. My bad. Fucking up the video and shit. Wait, who told you to come to? There's a plate right there. There's a plate right there at that tree. We were standing like back here last time, right, Joe? Oh, yeah. Put that bitch up on the tree over there. Yeah. Fuck earplugs. You are.
I had the fucking.
I don't even know. I was thinking you could set that bitch up somewhere.
So we can't be shooting, right?
Yeah. Let's go right there.
You got the plate?
He has it right there.
No. Who got it? Like, when did I get it?
My tío Nick got that. When he was living here, he just be using it every time it comes out. Deep throat. Looks like he was here flex. Looks like he was here flex. I'm not too sure. I'm not a fucking girl like going.
Recording?
Yeah, I'm recording. Shotgun. Let a nigga try me blow his shoulder cap off. Bust your shit open. Yeah, now I got buckshot.
Oh, buckshot.
I could probably hit all 5 of those from here.
I got these cones right here.
Well, but yeah, that's like that. Yeah, my cousin does. But I don't know. Is there more, babe? No. No more. All right. This nigga Tyson's here. Is that a bottle? A glass bottle? I have to get away from that. That bitch. I'm so close to that bitch. Damn, got the house. Who? See? That's awesome. But you don't know how to take it apart and put it back together though. Yeah, I'm a different breed.
I know how to do mine.
Do it right now. You can't do it in 60 seconds like me though. With your eyes closed, blindfolded, one hand behind your back.
In the heat of war.
In the heat of war, nigga. Bombs dropping next to me and shit. Dookie everywhere. Dookie everywhere. Who brought my fishing pole? Uh-oh. You brought my fishing pole? Yeah, I'm about to say hog is invasive species and shit. I was beaking that hog. I got it on camera. Damn. See what I'm trying. Mama Dome, you outside for the first time?
I was outside, yeah.
No, you weren't, bro.
I was outside for like 10 minutes.
Not even.
Cause the girl.
I was alternating in and out.
In and out of what? Put some nuts on that.
Yeah, I'm gonna get that bluegill on too. It's right at the edge. It just came off right there.
Oh, you talking about the one you lost? Hmm. Or two, you can use that plopper. Plopper, you gonna use that bitch. Yeah, this one.
Oh.
Don't tell my dog to move.
Move.
Talking to his own dog.
Move.
Oh, there's some more work.
What?
More work.
Oh,
Nothing. I'm an electrician now. You want to try it?
I don't want to be free.
What?
Hey, Beyonce, you know I'm right?
No. No.
But he only won because there's 3 of us. And every time he gets a kill, he's
Oh my god, bro. He's feeding off one of us. Just constantly. Hey, what happened to my place? For sure.
I just used to buy.
I usually just clean. It's kind of satisfying. See?
It's definitely YouTuber.
Oh God.
See those fish? Nobody knows where fish.
The Cardozo.
I don't know, I said that.
Oh look, they fish too, bro.
Oh, I forgot that stuff that smells like poop in the bag. It's cool right there. He put it in there. No, it smells like dead.
I watched it all the way to Caribbean.
It's the best thing.
I'm gonna go.
It started off good.
You coming? Huh? Oh, go on the extra room. It's on the wall. Go get it. Alright, finna get it. Let's get it. Let go. Alright, finna go to the hidden pond, guys. Finna go to the hidden pond. Pull out a fucking chunker out this bitch. Right, Julia? I'm leaving my girl and shit. I'm over here excited.
Go.
Hmm?
Go.
Some got a bite. It's already 5 o'clock, man. Where y'all at? Alright, ready, be safe.
Yo, something's over here.
For real?
Yeah, something's swimming on my face.
If you feel the pull again, tug it.
You gotta yank it back when you do it, Owen.
Oh, he blew up on it. Yep. Bro, that was so beautiful. You seen that? Yeah, I got him. I'm dog walking his ass. On fucking camera, nigga. Come here, buddy. Nah. Thank you. I told you, babe, that pink. They fuck with that pink. Boy. Show the cam. Yeah. Bro, he blew up on that hoe. Literally as soon as he cut the water. You see it, babe? You see? Oh, that was fucking beautiful. On cam. Probably a fish. Oh my God. You seen that? Bro, that was a fat ass one, bro. He's over there. I literally hit him directly on top of his fucking body, bro. They're there. Little backlash, guys. Ain't nothing wrong with it. That was a money cast too. I felt the fish on that one. I can't tell you that, babe. Chatterbait, pink and yellow minnow. That boy trying to get up in that water. Making sure. Sugar boom boom boom.
Let me see. I'm gonna get over there where that glass is at. What's over there? What was that? What was that? I just saw a fin go out the water.
So I'm about to go explore the wilderness with the GoPro on me. Holy mackerel. Wait, I'll take high ground. Hold on. Holy, only if I had a... Oh, there's a little lake right here. Or a little pond. We're out here in the wilderness. Mother sucker. This is chill. This is only if I have my phone. You got your phone, Joel? Fuck. I think I was charging my shit too.
Bro.
Nigga, you gotta take a picture.
Nigga.
Come on, here, take it.
You see this hole?
Oh, shit. Watch out, man, watch out. Oh my god. I'm gonna take a fucking picture.
It's recording right here, look.
Oh, we took pictures.
Whoa. Oh.
I'm gonna throw that in picture too. Wow. That's what I wanted.
Nigga, that's literally the fucking one I'm talking about, Joe.
Wow.
That is wild. That shit is crazy. That bitch was huge, nigga.
Nigga, it was just right there. I just had it. I just threw that right
Nigga, for real? That's where you was standing at, bro?
Yeah. That's where I caught that bitch.
Tripping. No fucking way.
It's right here, bro.
Right in the fucking grass.
Oh.
Bro, right there in the fucking grass. That bitch was huge.
Whoa, these bitches are big. Give me the GoPro, huh?
Bro, what in the fuck?
Staying right at us, yeah. He waiting for some fish. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit, it is.
Bro, I literally saw
Ah.
too loose. His fucking lines were everywhere. I'm like, that's that bitch could be. Oh shit.
Come on.
Oh yeah. Yes it is. Oh, that bitch is big.
Hold on, don't bust some shit.
This is braided line.
Oh, fuck. Hold that motherfucker up, Tim.
Fucking monsters, nukes, nigga.
Ew, look at it in his mouth.
Bro, we should. Do we have a cooler? We don't. See if Anthony has a cooler. If he does, bro, I'm taking this bitch back home. Put him in the pond. I know, buddy. I know. I know. Fucking tank. Caught that bitch. Fuck it. They ain't coming to me. I'm gonna go to them. Fucking tank. Where that?
What the fuck?
Bro.
Nigga, what the fuck?
Bro.
Holy shit, hold on.
Bro.
Hold on, nigga.
Nigga, I gotta get it in water.
What the fuck? Nigga, that bitch is huge.
Yo, keep it in shock.
What the fuck? It was like this.
Oh my god. Bro.
Damn.
Chunks.
That's a new personal record, huh?
Hell yeah, PV. Just keep him in that water. Yeah.
Oh, that one?
Hurry.
Here's your knife, yeah.
I'll keep him in there. Oh. That bitch fast. Big that bitch is, bro. I'm fucking, I don't even know how to act right now.